Banking, the process of keeping, lending, exchanging, and managing money in a bank. Deposit, putting money into a bank account. Withdraw, taking money out of a bank account. Savings account, a type of bank account where you can save money and earn interest. Loan, money that is borrowed and must be paid back, often with interest. ATM, automated teller machine. A machine outside a bank that allows you to do basic banking transactions. Interest, money paid regularly at a particular rate for the use of money lent, or for delaying the repayment of a debt. Credit card, a plastic card issued by a bank allowing you to make purchases, or borrow money up to a certain limit. Bank statement, a document received monthly from the bank that shows all the transactions in a bank account. Balance, the amount of money in a bank account after all deposits and withdrawals have been taken into account. Loan officer, a person who works at a bank and helps people apply for loans. Security, measures taken to protect money and personal information in a bank account. Overdraft, withdrawing more money from a bank account than what is available, resulting in a negative balance. Bank vault, a secure room within a bank used to store money and other valuables. Transaction, an exchange or transfer of money from one account to another. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I go to the bank for my banking needs. 2. I made a deposit of $100 into my account. 3. I need to withdraw some money from the ATM. 4. I have a savings account at the bank. 5. I need a loan to buy a new car. 6. I use the ATM automated teller machine to get cash. 7. My savings account earns interest each month. 8. I used my credit card to pay for dinner. 9. I need to check my bank statement online. 10. I like to keep track of my account balance. 11. The loan officer helped me apply for a loan. 12. The bank has security cameras all around. 13. Be careful not to overdraft your account. 14. They keep the important items in the bank vault. 15. I received a receipt after my transaction at the bank.